Everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today we are going to do a skincare review and demo, and this time we're going to review the highly anticipated skincare from Chanel, the One collection. Let's get started this video and see if this really worth the money. Let's go. You guys know that I have reviewed Chanel One collections with two videos. The first video, I'm going to put all the link below, you can check it out. It's really going to the website to really understanding each product, what it do, who it's for, what are key ingredients, yada yada yada, right? And that turned out a really good video for me, and you guys really like this type of dissect of the skincare products. But because I wasn't able to get a product then, so I didn't have a product. I just really looking at website. But you know, in reality, a lot of you is the same way too. You're not going to buy skincare right away. You're probably going to look at the review or descriptions, anything information you can find on social media or website. So that's what I did. So that's really, really good. And then I went to Ulta Beauty. I discovered it actually in the store, which I was totally shocked. And I filmed another video, in-store experience. I was very lucky. The beauty advisor was there, really understanding the line, the product, and she offered me demo. I have to say, I don't shop at Ulta a lot, but seemed to me this Chanel, this beauty consultant has a lot more knowledge, and because she told me that Chanel actually trained her, so I think that's really, really great, because I think Ulta still have a a long way to go in turn their employees' knowledge. I really think that that's where they're lacking right now, and I'm very happy to see the Ulta step up the game, and you know, and now they have a Chanel in there. Oh my God! I mean, they could probably take over Sephora soon. You never know, because Sephora don't even have a Chanel in the store. I was talking about the skincare and the makeup, but Ulta has the skincare right now. So I ordered the two products from her, and now I've actually been using this for 2 weeks already, and I really want to try it before I do the review, because it makes no sense that to do unboxing review and then tell you how I feel right away, because I kind of did that already from the website and the in-store experience. So today I'm going to do a demo and let you know what I like about, what I don't like about this, and why I chose the product that I am purchasing. Okay, so let's kind of just get started right now. I purchased two products from this collection, and it's the powder to foam cleanser and their serum, revitalizing serum. Probably ask, like, you know, how do you know which product to buy? There's so many products in the new collections, and I know a lot of you can afford every single product, and you know, a decision that make you to purchase the item. Typically, I always say to everyone that if you want to try one product for the brand you never tried before, it should be the serum, because serum usually contain more potent of the ingredient, the hero ingredients, and you can see a result better. So serum is something that you should really invest if it's the first time you want to purchase product. Cleanser usually the last thing I will recommend you buy, because they just sit on top, they rinse it off in 10 seconds. It doesn't really do much for your skin, I'll be honest with you. Especially if you buy those very expensive cleanser, like $100, $200. Yeah, they do pack with a lot of good ingredients, but they only stay on your skin for 10 seconds and you rinse it off. So it doesn't really, your skin don't even have enough time to react, to absorb. So there's no reason. But I'm going to tell you why I purchased this cleanser, because I just love the design. Alright, so I'm also going to do a demo on my face right now to show you. I'm not going to detail on the whole story behind this collections. You can check my other video below. Today's really focused on the texture, the scent. The scent is something that everybody asking me. So let me just open this right now. This is the powder to foam cleanser. So powder to foam is still pretty new in the US market. I think Tatcha is the one doing the best so far. They work and it's really fantastic for powder to foam. But in Asia, this is not new. They've been in Asia for many years already. So why do I choose to buy this? I'm totally into packaging. So check this out. So this is the plastic bottle. Nothing special, but it's actually very soft. You can see I can squeeze this. Right, and then the cap is just a matte cap, and the logo has a little shining in there, the Chanel logo. So watch this. I just love this, and I don't know, I think that's so cute and absolutely beautiful packaging. Okay, so we're gonna try it on my face right now to show you how this is gonna work on my skin. This on my hand. First, we're gonna dry hand. I don't push the container because it's powder gonna poof up everywhere. I did that first and I was like, oh my god, wasting money. So you just lightly tap it. It comes out really fine powder. And the powder has a little texture to it, but it's very fine. Very fragrant-ish smell. They say it's essential oil, and it smells pretty strong. The red camellia oil in there. So we're gonna put a little water in here. We're gonna just activate this. I have to say, when you activate it, it does give you a nice foam. Need a little bit more water. So after you massage for about 30 seconds, it really did give you a very nice soft foam. Skincare technique in Asia is you want to really create a foam before you wash your face. So you let the foam touch the skin, not your finger. And you let the foam, the cleansing foam itself, to deep cleanse the face. So that's what you want to do. And let me tell you, it takes a little bit more longer time, but it really make a difference. I want to see that here. So once you create a foam, the smell is not as strong now. So I'm okay with this. And I use this to remove makeup. It worked. It just won't remove your eyeshadow, you know what I mean, right? So I'm going to use this all over my face. When I wash my face, I really focus on my forehead, T-zone, my nostril area. But that's where I usually break out, and chin here. And I also wash my ear too, but I'm not going to do it here in the studio because it gets too messy. So as I massage the skin, it feels very slippery. So I was like, oh, I really like this feel. Very smooth, very soft. Not strip it on my skin. And the foam actually create a barrier between the skin and the finger. So it's really, you really glide. So this experience, it's really beautiful. I gotta tell you that. So go around the eye area. Okay. So now I'm gonna rinse this off. I will be right back. Alright, so I just rinsed off my face with water. I haven't even dried my skin. So when you rinse off, it's your skin still feel very slippery. So I really like that because that really showing you that the product is not over drying your face. But I think the issue for me on these issues, once I pat dry, my skin feel tight. And so this is the problem here in terms of skincare. Skincare is really, every product is really designed for very specific skin type and skin concerns, and sometimes they can be multi skin conditions. That's fine. And since this line is really target very young consumer, and I feel like since I'm more older, even though I don't have a major sagging concerns, but my skin's a little bit drier. See, right now I pat it dry, right? I feel really tight. And that is telling me this cleanser is not good for my skin. Because when you're using the cleanser, when you rinse it off, you should feel comfortable. You you should not feel tight at all. So is this a bad cleanser? Is this not worth the money? Not necessary. It's just not for my skin conditions. But if you have a more normal to oily skin or oily skin, I think you are gonna love this. But for somebody like me, have a dry skin, and I don't want to put the age on the product, because you could be 40 years old but don't have a dry skin, then you're gonna be fine. It just happened to be I'm 48, my skin's much more drier than usual, and plus Southern California has been really weird weather lately. We get a lot of Santa Ana wind. It's a very dry wind, so my skin's so tight all the time. So this is not gonna work for me right now, but I feel like in the summertime when it's really hot, it should be okay. It should be okay. So this is the cleanser. Alright, so now let's try the next product here. I'm really excited about this. It is the Revitalizing Serum. This is $160. So I bought this because, like I say, the serum usually will do the most result for the skin when you try the new brand, and also because the packaging. I just love this beautiful red bottle. Just a little bit, get closer. When you turn this, the cap's open. Let me show you. See that? It opens. So that is a pump, and then when you keep on twisting, it comes out just like that. So let me try this again. So when you close, see the cap here? You kind of go down. Cute design. Really genius. It's really targeted that young people love that cool packaging. So they spend a lot of money on the packaging. See that? And then when you turn, you automatically absorb the right amount for each application. See that? Okay, now. So again, I'm not going to talk about the key ingredients. I mean, you can check out the video. I really want to focus on the texture, the smell, how I like it after using for a couple of weeks. By the way, as I'm talking right now, not putting anything on my skin's getting really tight, really dry. It's very uncomfortable. Alright, so this is supposed to be the right amount, right? Watch this. It really just 1 drops. And I gotta tell you, 1 drop, it's not enough. Watch this, that's all. And then as I massage in, it's a very strong, the scent. You see, because my skin is so dry, this 1 drop barely touched my cheek. So then I don't have any more. It's already dry in, so I need to get more. So let me just get a little bit more here. So honestly, I need about 3 drops. So put this on my forehead. The texture is very light, very slippery, but it absorbs very quickly. So I love the consistency on my skin, just absorb right into the skin. But the smell, it is a little strong for me. And I gotta say this to you though, when you're creating a skincare with scents in there, you're not gonna able to please everybody, because everyone's the sensitivity to the scent is very different. Right now, Yibu Beauty, we are working on a new product, right? We got everything done, we're just working on the scent. Let me tell you, it is not easy. So, I'm using about 4 drops right now. And just when you first put it on it, you feel a little sticky. You can watch my hand. Feel that? Kind of stick to my hand a little bit. So, if you don't like the sticky feeling, you are not gonna like this serum, because it does give you that sticky feeling. And how long is this feeling gonna go away? In about a few minutes. Once they completely dry and absorb, it's gonna be fine. But just if you don't like the feeling, then you're not gonna like this. Which I was kind of surprised, because I thought it's gonna be more liquidish than sticky serum. So I'm using 5 pump now, because it's just not enough for my dry skin. So you can still see that. Okay, now you're probably gonna ask me, so I've been using for 2 weeks now. How do I like the product? Again, this is more for address 5 signs of aging. It's really more preventative than correcting. Although I don't see myself as a really major sagginess, wrinkle. My biggest concern is texture on my skin, the large pore, the scarring. and discolorations. I haven't seen anything. I'm using this for 2 weeks, once a day. It feels beautiful, but I don't know if this is right for me. I'd love to hear from you. If anyone tried this and you truly like it, let us know what you like about. Because right now, I think it was just okay. And honestly, for $160, I would like to see a little bit more than just beautiful packaging. Good smell, right? I want to see some result. I do believe that when you're buying skincare, when you pass certain level, you should see a little bit more than take 3 months or take a whole bottle to see results, because you're paying so much, so you should get faster results. Do you agree with me? And then the red camellia scent is still on my face. I can smell that still. So maybe I'm very sensitive to scent. Okay, we've been talking for 3 minutes now. The stickiness is slowly going away now, but still a little bit sticky. So I will recommend you that anytime you try a serum, make your skin feel a little bit sticky, don't put another moisturizer right away, because it will not absorb, because this is basically creating a barrier on the skin, so your treatment on top will not really absorb. You need to make sure this is absorbed first, otherwise it doesn't do anything for the skin. So just want to let you know that. So yeah, so this is my review for the most talked about launch for Chanel. Beautiful packaging, environmental friendly, design. It takes 17 years to design, which I totally get that. Trust me, I can see that happens. It's creating skincare product. It's a long journey. It really is a long journey. And so yeah. So my final thought is, I feel like this, forget about the age, okay? Let's talk about condition. This is really great for somebody who has oily skin or normal to oily skin, or for the summertime. If you have a dry skin, don't even buy this, because it will dry you out. Or right now, I will wait, because still kind of winter time. This is gonna dry out your skin, and summertime should be better. That's how I see it. So okay, let me know how you like my review today, and leave the comment below if you have any questions or any sharing that you want to share with me, that you tried this, what you like it, what you don't like about this. We'd love to hear from you too. Alright, so I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.